Hi friends, this article is from the Hindu editorial page dated 3rd of July. This article talks about the vaccine discrimination that India is facing from European Union, where these countries are not recognizing India's Covishield and Covaxin and not giving the passport. Listening to the article will give you first hand will give you chance to formulate your opinion first hand. So let's begin. Unjust green. India must continue to monitor discrimination in vaccine passports issue. The European Union's decision to enforce a green pass to allow travel within the EU from 1st July and linked to specific vaccines has set off a storm of protest from several quarters, including India. According to the European Medicine Agency (EMA), that sets the guidelines, the vaccines given conditional marketing authorization where Comirnaty, Pfizer, BioNTech, vaccine Janssen, Johnson and Johnson, Spikevax, Moderna, and Vaxzevria, AstraZeneca, which makes it clear that neither of India's vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin, as well as Russia's and China's, would be eligible for the EU Digital COVID Certificate, as the Green Pass is formally called. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar took up to exclusion strongly with European Union authorities this week, particularly the case of Covishield, which is made under licensing and certification from AstraZeneca and cleared by WHO. India has argued that the entire idea of vaccine passport would leave developing nations and the global south at a disadvantage as they have restricted vaccine access. An unspoken but valid criticism is that there is a hint of racism in the action. The EMA list only includes vaccines already used by Europe and North America. A letter of protest on the EMA's decision was also issued by the African Union and the Africa CDC this week, which called Covishield the backbone of the COVAX Alliance program that has been administered in many African countries. The EMA list is not binding, however, and countries can choose to include others individually. After India's vocal protests and its subtle threat to impose reciprocal measures, at least a third of the EU has said they would recognize Covishield. Estonia has accepted Covishield and Covaxin. While the news that Austria, Estonia, Germany, Greece, Iceland, Ireland, and Netherlands, Slovenia, Spain, and Switzerland, not an EU member, have accommodated India's concern is welcome. There are still some hurdles before Indian travelers. Most of these countries are not at present accepting Indian travelers at all, as no non essential travel is allowed to EU countries, and the spread of Delta variant, first identified in India, has meant further travel restrictions. In addition, Indians who have taken doses of Covaxin will need to wait longer until this vaccine receives WHO clearance. Finally, as more nations complete their vaccine programs, they will seek to tighten their border control with vaccine passport and longer quarantines in order to curtail the spread of new variant. While it is necessary for the government to keep up with these actions worldwide, the battle discriminatory practices, the real imperative remains to vaccinate as many Indians as possible. given that more than 6 months after the Indian inoculation program began, only 4.4% of those eligible have been fully vaccinated.